Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Magnolia. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The aroma of the magnolia blossoms filled the air as we walked through the garden. Magnolia refers to a type of tree or shrub with large, fragrant flowers, commonly found in temperate regions and used in landscaping and garden decor. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.